Hi there, this is Carolyn Charles from the Equine Connection. I thought I'd give you a quick overview of how exactly it is that you are going to book your course. So say you get to our homepage and you're just a little confused on what the heck is going on or where you are or where you need to go, this is where you land. It's just the equineconnection.ca. What you need to do to go find your course date is the first place you're going to want to go, and you're going to go into upcoming course dates right here on the top. So once you land here, you'll see that there's quite an array of different courses. So we've got ones in Canada, ones in Australia and New Zealand, and then of course USA and international. So those are going to be the main ones that you're going to be looking at. If you are looking to do an in-person workshop with us or any online women's programs, we've got those on here, as well as the online horse business course as well. So feel free to check those out. This one is the 3-day hands-on training, but you won't need that until after you register for your course. So if it were me, I would be going for a Canadian course. So I'll just click upcoming course dates under Canada. Perfect. Once I get here, you've got a little bit more information as well as everything that's included with your lovely course as well. We've got some instructions here for you too, but we'll just scroll straight down and you can find the course that you are looking for. Now you'll see we've got Canada Eastern Time courses here and Canada Mountain Time. If you're Central Time, if you're Eastern Time, if you're Mountain Time, Pacific, it doesn't matter. You can register for either of these courses. However, how it will work is that we just start at different times. So the Eastern Time courses start at 7 a.m. Mountain Time, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and the Mountain Time courses start at 8 a.m. Mountain Time, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and 7 a.m. Pacific Time. Holy, I think I got that right. But basically you can sign up for any course you'd like. It will just depend on the start time of the course for that day. So let's just say the May Eastern Time looks like the one that's the course for me. So I'm just going to click on it. Super simple. We even have this lovely scroll down just in case. So you can see the time of the actual course. These are the different options that you have for the different packages you can get. So if you're looking for a payment plan, you're going to go for that number 1, which gives you the interest-free payment plan. Plus, once you're completed your payment plan, you still get the beautiful business pack, and you'll even have the programs and everything right after you take your course to be able to start up right away. Number 2 comes with everything from package number 1, plus you also would get your Business with Horses 101, which is a fantastic online course that you can start up right away to be able to get a good handle on exactly where you're going with your business. It helps you figure out your target market and a bunch of other information. It's really fantastic. There's a bit more information on it there too, so that would be paying in full at this cost. And then package number 3, of course, has everything from number 2, and then you'll also get your training videos in there, and either the anti-bullying package or the Authentic You Women's package. So depending on which one that you are wanting to kind of pursue, if you're going with kids, you might want to look at the anti-bullying. If you're wanting to work with women, you might want that Authentic You Women's Workshop package. So you can just kind of weigh the options as to exactly what you want and then pick your package. Once you scroll down here, you'll see, yes, book my spot today. So if you are attending the 3-day hands-on in either Alberta or Ontario, because those are not considered traveling schools, then you would book any of your packages right here. If you are booking in one of the traveling schools, say we had a course in BC or we had one in Halifax or something like that, then you would be looking at booking these ones, which are the traveling locations. So from here, it's pretty simple. You just click on how many you want to book. Scroll down, hit next. If you wanted more information about payment plans, it's down there as well. Click into next. Once it's up, then you have your registration information. You fill out all this good stuff, click next, payment information, and then you are good to go. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at any time.